Water coal washing technology is to fine wash coal with water, remove the gangue in coal, so that the product produced is called water coal washing. After years of industrial use and improvement, compared with other similar products, water coal washing ball pressing machine has the advantages of high pellet rate, small power consumption, compact structure, and easy maintenance and debugging. Water coal washing ball pressing machine. Due to the roll extrusion, the product has high density, high strength, high hardness of 3 high characteristics, and has good wear resistance. Water coal washing ball pressing machine can be processed according to user requirements of different specifications and shapes of ball and socket. Ball and socket after grinding, high finish, easy to demolding. After the water washing coal ball pressing mechanism for forming materials, energy saving and environmental protection, easy to transport, improve the utilization rate of waste, has good economic and social benefits.